Hello and welcome back to BIM Shorts, where we dive into key insights about building information modeling into quick, digestible episodes, and I call it BIM Shorts. I am Puneet Thakre, the architect who is passionate about BIM and on a mission to make BIM transitions smoother. In today's BIM Short, I'll talk about third dimension of BIM, but before diving into BIM dimensions, I want to tell you that any BIM model consists of just two fundamental things. Technically, it's one, but it's segregated into two. And what I'm talking about is the data. Any BIM model contains only two kinds of data. One is geometrical data and the other one is non-geometrical data. And let me give an example of a door. A door has geometry which you see in a 3D view, defining its shapes and boundaries. Then it contains non-geometrical data in the form of information we feed in, such as material, finishes, type of the door, level placement, and so on. Because BIM is about creating and managing this information. So when you are building a BIM model, you are essentially modeling information. That's why we call it building information modeling. Because we are in the era of data technology where data is the new wealth. And we are building the data in the form of a BIM model. Now let me come to the second section of today's BIM short, and that is understanding the BIM dimensions. Especially, I'm going to talk about the third dimension. When we talk about BIM dimensions, these are essentially different layers of information we add to a BIM model. And when we talk about 3D BIM, we are referring to the third dimension of BIM. And it's important to understand that 3D CAD and 3D BIM are not the same. A 3D CAD model is primarily developed for visualization, while a 3D BIM model has an information layer attached to it. This information layer gives life to the model, making it more valuable and useful. So first we feed data in the model so that we can extract that data whenever is needed in the form of schedules, drawings, views, and so on. That's all for today's BIM short. Stay tuned for further dimensions as I'm going to reveal all the BIM dimensions in upcoming shorts. And if you found this helpful, insightful, do not hesitate to like and share it with your friends, colleagues, and maybe even someone you have a crush on. And let's make BIM knowledge accessible at your fingertips. Join me next time for another BIM short. Thank you for listening. And remember, in BIM, we are building not just structures, but the future of the AC industry. Stay inspired, stay curious. Let's grow together in the realm of BIM.